The Kentucky Transportation Cabinet says the Singing Bridge is now closed. The 130-year-old bridge over the Kentucky River in downtown Frankfort is closing as a safety precaution. A recent inspection found significant structural deterioration. The bridge will remain closed until further notice.